One hasn't seen this kind of mania, this kind of craze for ages, ages. So ये film ऐसा लगता है कि it has been made to write history. I would now call it the modern day DDLJ for Yash Raj films.
सैयारा ने मानो बॉक्स ऑफिस पर मचा दी है धूम। हर कोई गुणगान गा रहा है अहन पांडे और अनीप पड्डा स्टारर सैयारा मूवी के। जूम ने किया एक्सक्लूसिव इंटरेक्शन विद ट्रेड एनालिस्ट तरन आदर्श, जिन्होंने बताया उनका तजुर्बा अराउंड दिस मूवी।
How does one describe the box office performance of this film? Call it a tsunami, hurricane, typhoon, whatever you feel like. That's what Saiyaara is doing at the box office right now. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The 3 days, the opening weekend has collected approximately 84 crores just in India, which is historic. एक इतिहास रचा है इस फिल्म ने for a film that is starring 2 newcomers. और कितने गर्व की बात है कि people are going back to theaters in a very big way. I mean, if you look at the Sunday numbers, it's unimaginable. I mean, you look at the numbers that have come in this year, from Chhawa to Houseful 5 to Sitare Zameen Par, Sikandar, Raid 2. All these are big films, and yet this film is competing with them or trending much better than these films, despite lesser screens and lesser shows. तो इससे आप अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं कि how big a hit this film is. Sorry, this is not a hit. This is not a blockbuster. This is a mega blockbuster. It's a blockbuster of epic proportion.
वहीं जब हमने कोमल नाहटा के साथ इंटरैक्ट किया तो उन्होंने सैयारा को 2025 की DDLJ मूवी का खिताब दे दिया। Here is what he had to say.
It is outstanding. It is, people are loving it, which is why the word of mouth is so positive and so strong. शायद इस वजह से Friday figure itself was crazy. 22 crore is not a joke. Imagine Monday is going to close at more than 22 crore. One hasn't seen this kind of mania, this kind of craze for ages, ages. So ये film ऐसा लगता है कि it has been made to write history. And that is why, again, a very preposterous comment, some people might say, but I would now call it the modern day DDLJ for Yash Raj films.
Well, that's
तो
a very
जो
huge compliment.
yes, जो आदित्य चोपड़ा की DDLJ थी, इसके कलेक्शंस वैसे ही है, इसका क्रेज वैसा ही है. So Yash Raj films, after probably 40 years or whatever, I don't know exactly, they have got another DDLJ.
साथ ही ट्रेड एनालिस्ट कोमल नाहटा का मानना है कि सैयारा को सलमान खान की टाइगर 3 या शाहरुख खान की पठान के बॉक्स ऑफिस कलेक्शन से कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते हैं।
See, it would be wrong to compare this film with, say, Shah Rukh Khan's Pathaan. No, it is not that. But one has to compare this film with other love stories, with films of other newcomers, and with films of most of the other stars. It has outdone all those. And the first day was some 22 crore. Second day, some 26 plus 26 crore, 75 lakh. And the third day, more than 35 crore. And you know, Zamina, the good part is, it's not just in centers like Bombay and Delhi, A-class cities mein nahi. It is equally good in smaller centers. I'll give you an example. Naroda in Gujarat. It's a small center. Wahan par first day was some 28, 29, 27, 28%. Second day some 29, 30%. Third day went up to 75, 80%. ऐसे collections देखे ही नहीं हैं.
वहीं तरन आदर्श का मानना है कि ऑडियंस के जजमेंट की खामी नहीं है, उन्हें सिनेमा क्रिएटर्स से सही कंटेंट नहीं मिल रहा था, जिसके चलते वो थिएटर्स में जाना पसंद नहीं कर रहे थे. एंड क्लियरली सैयारा इज चेंजिंग द गेम राइट नाउ.
A lot of people who said that, you know, people are not coming to theaters, something is wrong with the audience, or perhaps that something is wrong with us. We've been not making those kind of films where people will come to theaters. And now this movie, Saiyaara, proves that if you offer them content, if you give them music, if you give them youthful romance and freshness, they will throng the theaters. So it's very important to listen to the audience. दर्शकों की बातें सुनो, वो क्या चाहते हैं उन्हें वो परोसो, फ्रेशनेस दीजिए. जरूरी नहीं कि हम स्टार्स को ही लेकर आएंगे तो वो फिल्म देखने आएंगे. इस फिल्म में तो 2 नए कलाकार हैं. रिलीज से पहले आई एम वेरी श्योर विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू बोथ द एक्टर्स, कई लोगों को शायद इन दो एक्टर्स का नाम भी नहीं पता होगा, yet people came to the theaters, so that only goes to prove that the content, the performances, the music, the overall packaging, everything worked in tandem, and it really has emerged as a super blockbuster. I think it's very good news for the film industry.
साथ ही हमने कोमल नाहटा से पूछ लिया कि क्या अब अहान पांडे और रणनीत पड्डा पर रहेगा प्रेशर टू सिलेक्ट द राइट कंटेंट फॉर देयर मूवीज गोइंग फॉरवर्ड, क्योंकि अब उनकी डेब्यू मूवी के चलते एक्सपेक्टेशंस काफी हाई हो गए हैं. टू व्हिच द ट्रेड एनालिस्ट सेड, looks like both trade analysts Taran Adarsh and Komal Nahata are in positive spirits when it comes to Sayyara, along with performances of Ahan Pandey and Aniit Padda, as Komal Nahata said that the lifetime collection of this movie may even cross 500 crores. So let's see how it turns out to be for the actors and the director at the box office. For more such updates about the world of entertainment, lifestyle, box office reports and so on, stay tuned to Zoom channel.